PAI PHALANX Advanced Industries. There are just moments to go until the main event, the PHALANX EXPO, where we share with you the results of our years of painstaking scientific research. Tonight, PHALANX changed the world. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let me show you where we prepared for tonight and where the magic happens, here in our research laboratories. PHALANX Advanced Industries, championing in scientific developments, was pioneered by our visionary new CEO, John Alton. His aim to not only contain our assets, but to understand them and use them for greater purpose, to protect the fragile planet we share. In 1994, Nemesis shocked the world, exposing the existence of alien life. Earth's reaction to fear and imprison it. But life moves on, time changes. And now, after 30 years of preparation, PHALANX worked with the Nemesis asset for all the good of humanity. Now we are ready to rise to a new frontier. In these laboratories, over the past 2 years, our research has been relentless, with extraordinary results. Our knowledge has grown, our capabilities advanced. And now, it is time to share it with you, our trusting public. Please, enjoy tonight's PHALANX Expo, in the knowledge that your future is in the safest of hands.
The wait is over. The time has come. The PHALANX Expo has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's all been leading to this. Welcome to the PHALANX EXPO.
Well, I wasn't going to catch a bus, was I? My esteemed guests, tonight PHALANX show you, through our investigations into the Nemesis asset, the bright future it has created. Tonight we advance onwards, and I, John Dalton, as CEO of PHALANX, promise you, and all of you watching around the world, a truly explosive celebration. Who knows has the power here? Ladies and gentlemen, let the PHALANX EXPO begin! It's been quite the journey to get here. So before we go forward, let's look back on what we and the Nemesis asset have shared on the road that led us to tonight.
In 1994, Alton Towers was disturbed by an interdimensional alien being, Nemesis. PHALANX troops secured the beast, and all came to witness her might.
Y'all ready for this? Nemesis is closed.
After 30 years of secure observation, Nemesis began mutating at a rapid pace. PHALANX scientists from across the globe sought to understand her, learn from her, and ensure her survival. And in 2024, Nemesis was reborn.
how far we've come. After years of our painstaking research, years in which you put your trust in Phalanx, the time has come to showcase our results. The Nemesis asset showed the world that alien life exists, and now we sit on the precipice of destruction. Planet Earth must stand ready against a volatile universe. Tonight, the PHALANX EXPO send a message to the cosmos. Earth is defended. Protection against alien life, made from alien lives. Let me show you the future. As PHALANX introduces the Intergalactic Defense Program, presenting Protocol 1, Light Speed Missiles.
Spacecraft advancing to current position at 370,000 miles per hour.
Set our alarms. Time to get them off. Presenting Protocol 2, the disintegration room.
Spacecraft reaching Earth atmosphere.
What is that?
We've got a problem. Something on the radar.
This doesn't stop. Load Protocol 3. Bioshield.
There's a place I go. There's a different high. Oh, oh. When you touch me.
never be the same again. It's the final count.
That's the best you've got. And let me unveil tonight's grand finale. Our secret weapon. An alien creature born of destruction. Her potential harnessed by PHALANX. The time has come. Activate the ultimate weapon. Nemesis! Ladies and gentlemen, I said tonight would be explosive. And we showed E.T. who's boss. Here, at the PHALANX EXPO, you witness the future. And from tonight, PHALANX will advance onwards into the universe to protect, to conquer. With Nemesis by our side, we will rise like a phoenix together. I am PHALANX. You are PHALANX. The future is PHALANX!
Oh, there's just one more thing. Submit to the speed.